My administration is in the process of notifying the states whose election data was compromised by the People's Republic of China and many others.
Mabigat na akusasyon ng pakikialam sa eleksyon ang inihayag ni United States President Donald Trump laban sa bansang China. Sinabi ni Trump, pinanghimasukan ng Chinese Communist Party o CCP ang 2020 US presidential elections para papanalunin ang nooy kalaban niyang si former President Joe Biden. Base sa investigasyon ng US Department of Homeland Service, sinabi ni Trump na nagawang i-hack ng China ang datos ng nasa 220 million US voters upang manipulahin ang eleksyon at magpasok ng mga pekeng balota. Inihayag rin ni Trump na marami ang nakaboto na hindi naman US citizens at ang iba ay ghost voters. Malaki rin aniyang korupsyon ang natuklasan sa sistema ng mail voting.
Hundreds of millions of U.S. voter files are in the hands of foreign governments. Our machines and ballot counting systems are exposed to hacking and manipulation and corruption. China and other countries have been trying to meddle in our elections. Evidence of fraud has been buried. Hundreds of thousands of non-citizens and dead people are listed and active on the voter rolls.
Ikinadismaya ni Trump na mismong mga opisyal ng Intel Service ang nagsawalang kibo at hindi ipinaalam ang bagay na ito.
Compounding the travesty, the second set of documents we are releasing reveals that members of the deep state, very, very famous group of people, in many cases, in our intelligence agency work to actively suppress and downplay information about the extent of China's sinister election meddling, covering it up from both the president and the American people.
Dahil dito, iniutos ni Trump na agad maglunsad ng criminal investigation sa issue at alisin sa pwesto ang mga responsable kasabay ng paghahain ng kasong kriminal sa mga nakipagsabwatan sa China. Nakikipag-ugnayan na rin aniya ang Trump administration sa iba pang bansa at estado upang ipaalam ang banta na ito at nang hindi mangyari sa kanila ang dayaang nangyari sa Amerika.
We will be working closely to mitigate any harm, and we're taking swift action to ensure that sensitive voter data is better protected so we can never be bought, we can never be hacked, and we can never watch a stolen election again.
Kasunod nito, mariing iginiit ni Trump sa US Congress na ipasa na ang Save America Act upang mapanatili ang integridad at seguridad ng malinis na halalan, lalo't paparating ang US presidential elections sa November 2028. Hinamon ni Trump ang mga US lawmakers kung wala silang balak mandaya o manipulahin ang halalan, ipasa nila ang nasabing panukala.
Addressing this crisis of election security demands that Congress must pass the Save America Act. How easy is that to do unless you want to cheat? The only reason you wouldn't do it is you want to cheat.
Ang Save America Act ay isang landmark bill na nag-uubliga sa lahat ng US voters na magpakita ng valid voters ID na may larawan at proof of citizenship. Aalisin na rin nito ang mail-in ballots o mail voting, maliban sa mga masiselang kondisyon gaya ng pagkakasakit, kapansanan o military deployment.
These reforms are urgently needed to stop the vulnerabilities that I've mentioned. To all Americans, I ask you to pick up your phone tomorrow, call your representatives in the House and Senate, and demand that they pass the Save America Act without delay.
Noel Poliarco, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.